All right. The Home and Garden Show continues today, and there are plenty of things to do.
Marcy Jones live at State Farm Stadium with more on this fantastic exhibit. What'd you find out there, Mars?
Well, I didn't find any dentures for Shorty, but that's okay. Don't worry about it.
We have to build them. Maybe we can find an at-home build a denture for a dog.
I know
kit.
you are at home watching. Yes, absolutely. Guys, just take a quick look around. This is still behind-the-scenes setup time, but we are at the Maricopa County Home and Landscape Show. We're very excited. They opened yesterday. Today, we're in the thick of it. I am live with Rachel from Restyle Junkie. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I love the shows. It
Yes.
is so much fun to be here.
And I would think even though you've been in this a while, you always get new ideas from meeting new people, seeing how they kind of put things together, right?
Exactly. I teach 2 seminars, but really a lot of people teach me things too.
I
So
love
it's always
that.
fun to learn new tips and tricks from the audience.
Yes, and Restyle Junkie is kind of all about taking things, kind of making them new again or zhuzhing things up in your house, and you can do it also on a budget, right?
Exactly. So in real life, we paint kitchen cabinets, but I also love to teach all things DIY. And so one of the seminars we have today is talking about how to update your home on a budget, because everyone has a budget, whether it's $100,000 or $100.
I love it. Okay, so what are some easy, fun ways to kind of give your whatever part of your home a little makeover?
Okay, so I'm a little partial to painting cabinets, so we have some painted cabinets over here. I also feel like jewelry for your kitchen is hardware. So really you can show off your style, your personality. Are you more modern with something sleek? Do you like something a little more Tuscan?
What about a little bling?
Totally.
Yeah.
I've got bling for everyone.
I love it.
It's really easy to fill the holes, change everything up, and you've got a whole new look for your kitchen.
It's a quick little change, but it makes a big difference. I love that. Okay, so what do we got going on over here?
We're going to talk about even quicker here. Close your eyes. When is the last time you changed your mat in your kitchen or your dish towels? Are they still like Snoopy ones?
They are the OG ones that like came with the house.
Okay, so it's time to change it up.
Time to change it.
Okay, change is good. So I just put some, and also the soap dispensers.
Yeah.
You know what? When we go in people's houses and we see the cutest things, usually it's silly little things, like a nice little clean plant that's not half dead, soap dispensers.
They don't kill their plants. They're amazing humans.
They're probably plastic.
Yeah.
So, you know. But yeah, really, the soap dispensers, hand towels, rugs, those are all things that can enhance your look on a budget, for sure.
That is so fabulous. Okay, moving on down.
So a lot of us have that fake sticker on the side of our cabinets, or we just have drywall, and we're like, blah. I love trim work to put on the side of your island or the wall. So these are just some samples of trim work. You use this kind of board. You can use MDF.
And that's so easy.
It actually is really easy. Just a few cuts. You're going to want to caulk it and then shoot it in there. So that's really a way to really dress things up.
That is awesome. All right. Unfortunately, we're running out of time, but as you can tell, Rachel is full of ideas, getting more by the minute. So come on down to the home show. It's going on today. We'll put all the information up on our website, and we'll see you guys in just a little bit.
All right. Thanks
Thank you,
again,
Marcy.
Mars.
So fun.
All right, still to come here this morning.